My topic is introduction of Kila Rai Pithora. Kila Rai Pithora, also known as a Lal Kot, is an ancient fort located in Delhi, India. It is built by Prithviraj Chauhan, the ruler of Delhi in the 12th century. The fort served as the capital of the Chauhan dynasty. Today, only ruin of the fort remain, but is a significant historical and popular tourism. It also attracted to tourist peoples.
Once upon a time, in the heart of India, stood a fortress, Kila Rai Pithora. It was built a long time ago, a king named Prithviraj Chauhan. Back then, the fort was a very busy place. It had markets, soldiers walking around in the shiny emerald, and the king's announcement echoing through the streets. Everyone knew this fort is very important because it was where the king lived and ruled from. But the things changed when another king, Muhammad Ghori, wanted to take over the land. There was a big fight and sadly, Prithviraj Chauhan lost. The castle fell into the hands of the enemy and the Chauhan dynasty's rule came to an end. After that, many different kings ruled over the fort, from the Delhi Sultanate to the Mughals, even the Britishers. Each ruler left their mark on the castle, making it even more special. Today, Kila Rai Pithora still stands telling stories of the past. Its old walls and broken parts remind us of the brave people who lived there long.
Limited accessibility. Accessibility for visitors, especially those who disabilities, could be limited due to the fort historical layout and lack of modern amenities. Some areas are very unsafe due to decay surrounding. It might not feel as peaceful due to nearby urban development. Environmental pollution. Pollution from nearby traffic or industry activities.
Kila Rai Pithora is in Delhi, and it is a historically significant and showcasing ancient architecture, serving as the capital of Chauhan dynasty. Despite its ruin, it attracts tourists with its cultural importance, strategic location, and proximity to other historical sites like Qutub Minar and Mehroli Archaeological Park. Kila Rai Pithora, also known as Lal Kot, was made by Prithviraj Chauhan in Delhi, India. In the 12th century, the fort served as the capital of Chauhan dynasty, and it was considered the earliest settlement in Delhi. Only ruins of fort remain, but it is a significant historical site and people are still visiting it.
The fort of Kila Rai Pithora witnessed the highs and lows of the medieval Indian history. Prithviraj Chauhan's reign was marked by prosperity and stability, but it eventually faced challenges from the ambitions of Muhammad Ghori. Over time, Kila Rai Pithora fell into decline due to subsequent invasions, sieges, power dynamics and shifting. It was later overshadowed by newer forts and cities built within Delhi, eventually leading to its abandonment and subsequent reign.
How to promote Kila Rai Pithora? Social media campaign. Share the engaged content, image, video, stories, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Utilize the relevant hashtag and tag influencer. Influencer market, collaborate with travel blogger, historians and cultural enthusiasts to share the experience, culture event and festivals. Hosted the culture event, concert and festivals with the complex to attract the visitors. Heritage works and engage with local community to promote the complex and encourage them to share the stories. Collaborate with travel agency. Partner with the travel agency to offer package and promotion that include Kila Rai Pithora.
digital exhibition and museum. Create online exhibition and museum to showcase and complex the historical significance. Highlight the effort to resort and conserve the complex to attract the visitors and promote cultural heritage. Food and beverage. Offer the traditional cuisine and beverage with the complex to enhancing the visitor experience. Offer virtual hours and 360-degree experience for those who cannot visit in a person. Host culture work.
Qila Rai Pithora is one of the seven cities which make today's Delhi. It was known as Rai Pithora and was founded by Prithviraj Chauhan, the popular hero of the stories Hindu resistance against Muslim invaders. Prithviraj's ancestors captured Delhi from the Tomar Rajputs, who have been credited with founding Delhi. Anangpal, a Tomar ruler, possibly created first known regular defense work in Delhi called Lal Kot, which Prithviraj took over and extended for his city. Qila Rai Pithora, the ruins of the fort ramparts are still partly visible in the areas around Qutub Minar.